Chairman of the Professional Football Jamaica Limited, PFJL, Chris Williams, describes the move by Sports Minister Olivia Grange to continue with the monthly payments to the clubs in the Jamaica Premier League as an excellent one. Grange, through the SDF, will be donating $150,000 a month for the duration of the Premier League season, which ends in April 2023. All 14 clubs received payments for the months of November and December.
For us to get football to be endemic in Jamaica the way track and field is endemic in Jamaica is to support the growth and development of the clubs. The clubs are the only entity promoting and developing football 24/7, 365.
Williams says there is no doubt that football is the #1 sport in Jamaica and believes the minister understands that.
And we will continue to do our part to push and develop the game in the way that we all want to see. And all Jamaicans want to see Jamaica dominate the game in the way we dominate track and field.